Organizational behavior. Meaning of organizational behavior. OB seeks to understand why people behave the way they do in organizational settings, and how organizations can effectively manage and influence behavior to achieve their goals. It involves studying individual behaviors, group dynamics, and organizational processes to identify patterns, trends, and factors that impact organizational success. By gaining insights into human behavior and applying evidence-based practices, OB helps organizations create healthier work environments, enhance employee engagement and satisfaction, foster effective leadership and teamwork, and drive organizational performance and innovation. Moving on to the concept of OB. Organizational behavior is the study of human behavior within organizational settings. It examines individual, group, and organizational dynamics to understand how behavior impacts organizational effectiveness and performance. OB draws from multiple disciplines, including psychology, sociology, anthropology, and management, to explore various aspects of behavior in organizations. Let us understand the need for OB. Understanding human behavior is essential for effective management and leadership within organizations. By studying OB, organizations can gain insights into employee motivation, job satisfaction, communication patterns, leadership effectiveness, and organizational culture. OB helps organizations address challenges such as employee turnover, conflicts, stress, and resistance to change by providing tools and frameworks for diagnosis and intervention. Nature of OB. Organizational behavior draws from multiple disciplines, including psychology, sociology, anthropology, and management theory, to understand human behavior in organizational settings. OB recognizes that behavior within organizations is influenced by various factors, including individual differences, group dynamics, organizational culture, and external environment. OB emphasizes practical applications and interventions to improve organizational effectiveness, such as leadership development, team building, and organizational change initiatives. Moving on to the scope of OB. OB focuses on understanding individual differences, personality traits, attitudes, perception, motivation, and job satisfaction. OB examines dynamics within groups and teams, including communication patterns, leadership styles, decision-making processes, and conflict resolution. OB explores organizational culture, structure, change management, power dynamics, organizational politics, and ethical behavior. Finally, the key elements of OB. OB includes perception, personality, attitudes, motivation, learning, and decision-making. OB covers team dynamics, communication, leadership, conflict resolution, and decision-making in groups. OB encompasses organizational culture, structure, change management, power and politics, diversity and inclusion, and organizational effectiveness.